Hello guys, this is my original Blaupunkt Car 300 and I'll show you how to put AUX on this unit. As you can see, I have the original tuner with radio, and for the cassette I have this button, not the right button, but it's okay, it's working. And here I have the AUX cable where I upgraded with a Bluetooth card, so you can put by Bluetooth simply from your phone. Let's see. Here, as you can see, I removed the cassette mechanism. Just simply disconnect the motor connectors. I made a jumper to one switch, because here you will have two switches. One switch is here to connect the cassette. Now this is the original head reader analogic. I didn't cut him, I just made a jumper for these three pins here. Now I just cut, here is the preamp from the analogic reader. I cut here the signal line, and now I put these wires from AUX here on these two little lines, and this and here is the ground. I use it as a ground, and it works nice. Here with this two wire I'm trying to do some how to say DC connectors to power on this board. Here I have a little bit to work, and I will show you what I'm done. On the back of the radio, the blue wires is for minus, and yeah, it's the minus, and the white gray is the plus. I connected it from this switcher, so when you turn it on, the radio, you'll have 12 volts voltage at the pins. Now it's working. I put this car charger here, plus minus, and it's working. I'm now connected, but music don't work when I record.